Welcome to today's meditation where we are focusing on sitting in the silence of peace. We've done a lot of work recently with these meditations, and we have to always remember meditation isn't just to achieve a goal. Sometimes it's just often and wisely so. It's to just sit in that silent peace and be wrapped in that love. So today, that's what we're going to focus on. We are going to bring our attention to the perfect peace that surpasses understanding and sit there comfortably for several minutes, totally renewing ourselves. So as always, we begin with the Lord's Prayer and the prayer of protection. Then we will move into the guided part of our meditation. We will be silent for several minutes. At the end of the silent period, you'll hear the chime, so I don't jolt you out by speaking. And we will close with the 23rd Psalm. And good morning, everybody. For those of you who are bright and early with me, let's get started. First, we're going to exhale, then take in a really deep breath. And as you release that deep breath, relax and close your eyes. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Take a moment and just scan your body quickly. Notice, is there any tightness? Is there any swelling, any discomfort, any dis-ease? Bring your attention to it and bring healing to it and let it relax. Invite it to let go. Remove that block that prevents it from just being fully at ease. Scan through your entire body. And now let's bring our attention right to the center of our being, right where our heart chakra is, at our chest level, into our body. Notice there is this beautiful beam of light. It's like a river constantly flowing through. That river is the river of the divine that sources our life, brings us all that we need, helps us to move past our mountains. It is perfect love. It is perfect peace. We're going to follow the stream up and down our body twice, and then we're going to lift up and sit with it. So bring your attention to the top of your head and your third eye, on your forehead between your eyebrows. Notice the stream coming in at those places. Follow it down through your head. Notice how your mind quiets. Follow it down through your throat and surrender your will to this perfect peace. Follow it down to your heart. Let your heart be softened by this beautiful peace. Down to your solar plexus, down to your dantian, down to your root chakra, which is at the bottom of your spine, down to your feet. Now let's follow it back up, because this energy is constantly renewing. Back up to the bottom of our spine, just below our navel, just above our navel, to our heart, to our throat, our head, at our head, out of our head, and back in. Notice how refreshing. Follow it down to your feet. Bring it back up. Just go with the flow of this perfect energy. And arise, my spirit, and meet thy maker as you move out of your head and sit in silence. Be thankful for this moment. Send up an appreciation, a small prayer of thanks. And as you bring yourself back into your body, just for the fun of it, follow that stream right back down and right back up because it just feels good. And one more time, take it down, bring it back up, and bring your attention fully into your body as we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in a path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Thanks for joining me this morning. I love our morning meditations. Even if you listen to them in the evening or the afternoon, doesn't matter. It's just uplifting and a chance to renew and find some centering. So thank you for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow. If you want to learn more about who I am and what I do, please visit me at intointuition.com. Bye now.